Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into a product that powers our everyday gadgets and devices, ensuring they keep running smoothly. It's none other than the Amazon Basics 4-pack CR1632 Lithium Coin Cell Battery. Let's find out why this battery stands out as the best 3-volt lithium option on the market. What makes the Amazon Basics CR1632 batteries the top choice? Let's break it down. First off, this pack includes 4 CR1632 3-volt lithium coin cell replacement batteries. They're specifically designed for small electronic devices like watches, calculators, games, and even medical devices. Versatility is key, and these batteries deliver. Now, let's talk longevity. These batteries boast a long-lasting, reliable battery life. Whether you're in extreme temperatures or everyday conditions, you can count on these batteries to keep your devices powered up. Convenience is another highlight. The packaging is easy to open, and you can store extras for later use. Plus, it's shipped in child-resistant packaging, ensuring safety in your home. And here's something that sets these batteries apart: they contain zero mercury. With environmental concerns top of mind, opting for mercury-free batteries is a responsible choice. Amazon Basics has carved out a reputation for quality and affordability. With over 80,000 ratings and an impressive 4.7-star average, it's clear that customers trust this brand for their battery needs. To sum it up, the Amazon Basics 4-pack CR1632 Lithium Coin Cell Battery is a standout choice for anyone seeking reliable power for their devices. From its long-lasting performance to its eco-friendly design, it ticks all the boxes. That wraps up our review of the best 3-volt lithium battery on the market. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more product reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.